So now there is fear.
Hmm.
So how does one release it?
So there are, I think, even last time I told you about Antarmam meditation. So there are techniques like this where you have to sit with that emotion now. What happens is when there is any uncomfortable emotion, we push it inside us. हम उसको confront नहीं करते हैं. हाँ, because it is uncomfortable to suppose कुछ trauma हुआ है, कुछ हुआ है आपके साथ, बुरा हुआ है, तो the brain doesn't want to sit with it, accept it, process it, because that is uncomfortable. And as I said, the mind doesn't want to do anything uncomfortable. So what is easier कि उसको drawer में पीछे subconscious mind में डाल दो, बंद कर दो. Now what the mind feels is okay, every day अभी मेरा वो काम हो गया, I am not thinking of it. But when there will be a trigger, na, it will come out because it is there, na, in the subconscious mind. You have not gotten rid of it. So the way to get it out of the system is to sit with it in meditation. As I said, meditation में जब हम starting में बैठते हैं तो ये सब बाहर आता है पहले, because now you're going from the conscious levels to the subconscious level. When you go deeper into meditation, these things are going to stare at you because you have put them deep inside. So उनको पहले confront करना पड़ेगा. इसीलिए I told you, people cry, people feel that anger, people feel that grief coming out, and you have to let it go. You have to sit with it. So in Antarmam, I will tell people ki okay, it might be uncomfortable, but allow that emotion to come. Let it go out of you. So whatever thought, see, an emotion isn't standalone. There is a thought attached to it. There's some memory attached to it. So when you are in meditation, वो इमोशन डायरेक्टली नहीं आता, पहले वो थॉट आएगा, पहले वो मेमोरी आएगी, फिर उसके साथ अटैच जो इमोशन है वो आता है. तो वो जब आएगा ना, तब आपको उसके साथ बैठना है यू टू कन्फ्रंट इट. दैट्स द ओनली वे टू फ्लश इट आउट ऑफ. दैट इज व्हाट हैपेंस इन विपश्यना. दैट इज व्हाई पीपल रन अवे एट द 4th and 5th डे, बिकॉज दे आर सिटिंग इन साइलेंस फॉर 10 days. फर्स्ट 1-2 दिन ओके, 5th 6th डे में जो होता है ना एक्सपीरियंस, ये होता है. बिकॉज there is no outside distraction. You cannot talk to anyone else. There's no phone. अभी क्या होता है, we are a little discomfort हो जाता है, phone लेके बैठ जाते हैं, TV लगा देते हैं. This is very natural. This is survival instincts. But if you actually want to get rid of that deep emotion which you have felt, you have to let it go out by acknowledging it, by sitting with it for a while, letting it go.
But it's not so easy.
No, it isn't. Yeah. So it comes with practice. That is why meditation is something that you have to continue doing.